Hello students, we are learning chapter number 4, exercise 4.3, 4.2 is over. Now we will start exercise 4.3, question number 1. Question number 1 is solve the following equations. So here I have written few equations and let I solve it. First one, 2y plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2. So what will be our first step? This number which is connected with plus sign, this number will go to the right hand side. So what will be my next step? 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Now here denominators are equal only. That's why I can do the subtraction in numerator. Clear? So 37 minus 5, it will be 32 and denominator will be 2. So this is what? The value of 2y. Okay. Now 2 16s are 32. So here I got the answer 16, but it is of 2y. But we want the value of y. So next step, y equal to 16 divided by 2. This 2 will come here in denominator. Now 2 8s are 16. So value of y equals to 8. Now question number B. 5t plus 28 equals to 10. What will be the first step? Plus 28 will go to the right hand side, so it will become minus 28. So 5t equals to 10 minus 28. Now 5t equals to 10 minus 28. We are doing the subtraction from smaller number. We are subtracting bigger number. So answer will be negative. Okay. So definitely it will be minus 18. Now this 5 will go here in denominator. So answer is minus 18 divided by 5. This division is not possible, so let it be as it is. That is only our answer. Okay. Next is C. Okay, here. So same procedure. Plus 3 will go this side. So it will become minus 3. A divided by 5 equals to 2 minus 3. Now A divided by 5 equals to 2 minus 3 will be minus 1. Okay, now this 5 will multiply with this minus 1 because it will go to the right side of equal to it. That's why it will be multiplication. So A will be minus 1 into 5. So value of A is minus 5. Okay. Those who want to complete the sum in 2 steps, they can do. આ વધારાના સ્ટેપ્સ ની જરૂર જ નથી. તમે આના પછી ડાયરેક્ટ પણ કહી શકો છો equals to 5 જો આવડતું હોય તો. Okay, otherwise write this steps. Clear? Lastly B, same procedure. 9 upon 4 equals to this plus 7 will go to the right side, so it will become minus 7. Now 5 minus 7, see, it is not 9, it is Q. Always do like this. It is Q, right? 9 nathi, Q che. Now 5 minus 7, it will be minus 2. And what about this 4? 4 is in denominator. Directly I will send it to that side. So whatever answer will come, 4 will multiply with that answer. Okay? So value of Q is minus 8. Clear? Okay. Now next 4 sums. Next is E. 5 by 2 x equal to minus 5. So what we will do? X equal to minus 5 into 2 upon 5. What I did? This 2 which is the denominator, it will go this side in numerator, and this 5 which is in numerator, if it will go to the right hand side, it will go in denominator. Okay? જે ડિવિઝન માં છે એ પહેલી બાજુ મલ્ટીપ્લાય થઈ ગયું અને જે મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન માં છે 5 એ રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ જશે એટલે ડિવિઝન માં આવી જશે એટલે 2 ન્યુમરેટરમાં અને 5 ડિનોમિનેટરમાં. Now this 5 will get cancelled. So what is the value of x? 2, but what about this minus? We have to put it. So minus 2. Next, f. 5 by 2x equals to 25 by 4. Same procedure. X equals to 25 by 4 as it is. Now what we will do? This 2 will go in numerator. 5 will go in denominator. Clear? Now 5 5s are 25 and 2 2s are 4. So value of x is 5 by 2. Next, G. Firstly, we will send this 19 by 2 to the right hand side, so it will become minus. So 7m equals to 13 minus 19 divided by 2. Here we have to take LCM first because there is nothing in the denominator of 13. Okay, so what will be the LCM? 2. So 7m equals to 13 into 2, 26 minus 19 divided by 2. અહીંયા LCM લેવો પડશે એટલે આ સબટ્રેક્શન આવી રીતે થશે 26 minus 19 upon 2. Now 26 minus 19, what it will be? 26 minus 20 करो तो શું આવી જાય 6, and we are doing minus 19, so it will be 7 by 2. Okay, 26 minus 19, 7 by 2. Now this 7 will go here in denominator, so 7 by 2 and one more 7 will come in denominator. આ બાજુથી 7 જે મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન માં હતો એ અહીંયા ડિનોમિનેટર માં આવશે. 7 7 cancel, so value of m will be 2. Next, 6z plus 10 equals to minus 2. So 6z equals to minus 2 minus 10. Minus 2 ત્યાં હતા જ અને આ plus 10 will go to the right side, so it will become minus 10. Now minus 2 minus 10 both are negative, so we'll do the addition, but it will be minus only, the sign of greater number. Okay, so 6z equals to minus 12. Now this 6 will go here in denominator, therefore 6 equals to minus 12 upon 6. Now cancel this 12 with 6. 6 2s are. So the value of z will be minus 2. Clear? Now next is I. 3l by 2 equals to 2 by 3. What we'll do here? L equals to 2 by 3 is there only. Now we'll send this 2. At 2 ne apna baju lai jaiye. So it will go in numerator. And this 3 will go here in denominator. Okay. So the value of L will be 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. It is very simple. And the last sum of this question, 2b divided by 3 minus 5 equals to 3. So 2b divided by 3 equals to 3 plus 5. What I did? Minus 5 will go to the right hand side, so it will become plus 5. Now what will be the value of b? 3 plus 5, 6, 7 and 8. So b equal to 8. It is not right. હજી બાકી છે. જો અહીંયા 2 by 3 છે એને એક સાથે પેલી બાજુ મોકલી દઈએ આપણે. તો 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. Or you can say 3 will go in numerator, 2 will go in denominator. So it will be like this, 3 by 2. Okay. Now do the cancellation. 2 4s are 8. So the value of b will be 4 into 3 and 4 3s are 12. So that's all about question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Instruction is same only. Solve the following equations. A. 2 into bracket x plus 4 equals to 12. Now here this 2 is in multiplication with both. આખા બ્રેકેટની સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશનમાં છે. That's why this 2 will go first to the right hand side. Okay, એટલે ડિવિઝનમાં જશે. So this side bracket will remain as it is, and what I will do, આ 2 છે એને ઇક્વલ ટુ ની રાઈટ સાઈડ લઈ જાઓ એટલે એ ડિનોમિનેટરમાં જશે. So it will become 12 divided by 2. Why it will go in denominator? Because this side it is in multiplication, that's why. Okay, now you can cancel this. 2 6 are 12, so what will come? 6. So next step, x plus 4 equal to 6. Now equation is very easy. You can easily simplify this. X equal to 6 minus 4, that will be 2. Okay, you can do one more method of this sum. Another method I am doing here. તમે આ 2 ને અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરાવી શકો છો. Okay, so it will become 2x plus 8. 2x plus 8 equals to 12. Now you will send this 8 to the next side. So 2x equals to 12 minus 8, and 12 minus 8 will be 4. So 2x equals to 4. So x will be 4 divided by 2. You will cancel this, so answer will be same only. But I suggest this method. This will be difficult. Why difficult? Because you are multiplying the number inside, and if you will do the multiplication, the numbers will become bigger one. And જેટલા નંબર મોટા થશે એટલી કેલ્ક્યુલેશનમાં મિસ્ટેક થશે. Okay, so better you choose this method. અહીંયાથી જ 2 ને આ બાજુ મોકલી દો. So equation will be very easy. આવી રીતે કરશો તો કેલ્ક્યુલેશન વધી જશે. Getting? So don't do this method, but I am just showing that method કે આવી રીતે પણ સમ થાય. Now we'll go for next B. Same procedure. 3 will go this side in denominator. So n minus 5 equals to 21 upon 3. So n minus 5 equals to 3. 7s are 21. So 7 will come here. Now n will be 7 plus 5, and 7 plus 5 it will be 12. So that is about the solution. Now see, n minus 5 equals to minus 21 divided by 3. If you will see carefully, B and C almost similar question છે, ખાલી એક જ difference છે. Here it is plus 21, while here it is minus 21. તો આન્સરમાં પણ ખાલી થોડોક એવો જ ફેર આવવો જોઈએ. Let me see which kind of changes will come. n minus 5 equals to 3 7s are. So here it will be minus 7. અહીંયા plus 7 હતું, અહીંયા minus 7 આવે છે because minus is given in question, that's why. Now n will be minus 7 plus 5. અહીંયા શું હતું? 7 plus 5. Now what is here? Minus 7 plus 5. One number is negative, one number is positive, so we'll do the subtraction. Subtraction થશે એટલે n ની વેલ્યુ આવશે 2. But don't forget to give the sign of bigger number. આ બેમાંથી મોટું કોણ છે? 7. So we will write minus 2 because greater number is negative, so answer will also be negative. That is the rule. Now go for D. Same procedure. Minus 4 will go this side in denominator. 2 plus x equals to 8 upon minus 4. હવે અહીંયા થોડાક લોકોને એવો ક્વેશ્ચન થાય કે આ minus 4 છે તો ઓલી બાજુ જાય તો plus 4 ન થઈ જાય. So answer is no. Why? Because આ minus 4 છે પણ x સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશનના રિલેશનમાં છે. We have to see the relation with variable. Variable સાથે -4 મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશનમાં છે, that's why it will go in denominator. જો આવી રીતે હોત x minus 4 equal to 8, then definitely it will become plus 4. But here it is like this, minus 4 into x. તો અહીંયા minus 4x સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય છે, એટલા માટે minus 4 છે એ આ બાજુ ડિનોમિનેટરમાં જશે. So in what will happen? X equal to 8 plus 4. While in this, next step will be x equals to 8 upon minus 4. You can note down this if you want to note it. આ બંને અલગ અલગ છે. They are not equal. Okay? So here 2 plus x will be equal to 4 2s are 8. So here what will come? Minus 2. Now x equal to minus 2 and this 2 will go to the right hand side. So 8 પણ કેવું થઈ જશે? minus 2. Now both are minus. So answer will be minus 4. Okay. Now last sum E. 2 minus x equals to 8 upon 4. Now see carefully. What is the difference between D and E? અહીંયા minus 4 હતું, ત્યાં plus 4 છે. Here plus is there in bracket, while here minus sign is given in bracket. બાકી question similar છે. Okay. So 4 2s are 8. Now 2 minus x equal to 2. In the next step 2 will go this side. So 2 minus 2 will happen and 2 minus 2 is 0. But here it is minus x. So minus the value સામે જવા દેવી પડે. So it will become minus 0. But I told you 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 positive પણ નથી, negative પણ નથી, એટલે x ની વેલ્યુ 0 જ આવે. હવે જો અહીંયા x ની વેલ્યુ આવી હોત, x equal to 1 અથવા કોઈ પણ બીજો નંબર હોત 0 સિવાય, તો x ની વેલ્યુ શું આવે? માઈનસ ની સાઇન એને લાગી જાય, x equal to -1 થઈ જાય. પણ 0 છે, પોઝિટિવ પણ નથી, નેગેટિવ પણ નથી. ધેટ્સ વાય x equal to પણ 0 અને -x equal to પણ 0 થાય. Clear? So that's all about today's lecture. Next question we will see in next video. So what I'll give you in homework, complete this 4.3 question number 1 and 2 in your classwork. Thank you.